I feel very fortunate that we have been able to share so many chapters together in the Book of Life.
Alex truly is a one-of-a-kind individual, but in all the best ways. He's a walking smile, but he can also be the rock that you need when times get a little bit difficult.
I picked it to be so sparkly because I just feel like the stars really just like align with our relationship, and the constellations and the moon and the whole celestial theme is just like perfect for us. I'm gonna cry. You guys mean so much. All of you. You're like my sisters.
Don't start.
He actually surprised us. I like your glitter. That's on you. You like it? Uh-huh.
You look so beautiful. I love you. I love you. You look so good. Wow. That's an amazing dress. That's fire.
You love it?
Yeah, I love it.
These are the hands that will countless times wipe the tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow and joy.
Now you will feel no storms, for each of you will be sheltered to the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth to the other.
Throughout all this time, I have seen you grow up from a young girl to a strong, selfless, caring, funny, and beautiful and passionate woman. There's no one else I'd want by my side.
Even while living 1,010 miles away from you, you supported me with ease.
While reflecting on our relationship, there have been many moments where I was reassured that time would bring us here. Yet in my heart, I've always known it was you. Alex, you are my soulmate. Young Ella said it best when she said, "I don't think there is anything about him that could turn me away." She was right.
Now that Gabriella and Alexander have given themselves to each other by solemn vows, the symbolic giving and receiving of rings, and the joining of hands, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss. What a great day. So I'm about to perform my last official duty and then start having something to drink. We have so many things to be grateful for. Celebrating near ye old Mystic Village. Sorry, family joke. I'm very grateful for the phenomenal weather. I'm grateful that Ella and Alex have brought together the Villanueva Barker family with the Muniz Marks family. I am grateful that so many friends and extended family members have taken the time to travel and participate in this joyous day. I'm even grateful to the Fighting Blue Hens for bringing Ella and Alex together. And I'm grateful for Aiden, too. But perhaps more importantly, Ella and Alex's decision to include all of us in this celebration of their commitment to each other.